Hey everyone! Welcome back to Midas Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. In today's video, we will be using dual forms and some builder gel in order to put together a Tortoise inspired look. And this is a nail design I've seen a lot on Instagram and I really wanted to give it a try. I just thought the colors would be perfect for fall. So as you can see, the very first step we will be following is to apply a layer of rubber base coat to all of the nails. And I've already prepped and primed the nails in advance before the video, so I would just save some of your time. And I decided to use dual forms in today's video instead of using nail tips or nail forms with the brush and builder gel. I once again wanted to kind of challenge myself because I wanted to see if this would be easy for me to do. I've seen other people use dual forms with gel, but I always thought that it would be a lot more difficult than it would be with polygel. And this is a pretty hard builder gel, so it wasn't moving as much as a thinner gel would. So you can see here I am able to just place the form on my nail without it moving. Of course I did press it down a little bit and I held it in place until it cured, just like I would with polygel extensions. And I will just be repeating the exact same process for all of the nails. In addition to that, I should let you know that I am not building a thick nail with the dual forms. I am only using the dual forms as a form of creating a free edge for the nail that is thin. These would be very easily breakable if I left them like this, and as you will see later on, I will build them with more gel. I just wanted to sort of create a guide and see exactly where I would like to deposit more product. And you can of course skip the step and use paper forms or plastic tips to create your own extensions and make them as short or as long as you wish. After curing all of the nails, it's time to pop off the dual forms, and this is so awesome. They actually came off a lot easier than polygel allows them to come off. And this is super satisfying, and I love how clear the nails look at this point. So after we have successfully removed all of the dual forms, I'm going to go in with my builder gel once again, and I'm going to very lightly build the nail. And I still don't want it to be too thick, especially since these are not really long extensions. They don't need a lot of thickness in order for them to, be strong and hold for a while. I'm slightly brushing on the gel onto the nail, creating a flowing motion, moving it upwards, and the technique that you use doesn't really matter as long as you manage to create a thickness and an apex that will allow the nail to stay in place and be strong and flexible. After filing and shaping the nails off camera, I went ahead and started painting them. So the very first color that you're going to see me using today is this beautiful jelly color called Caramel by Quick Gel Polish, and I will be applying this on 3 of my fingers, as you can see here. And because this is a jelly color, which makes it very transparent, I decided to go ahead and add a second layer just to make the orange color a little bit more intense. And I really love this color. It absolutely looks like caramel to me, and I love it. After those have cured, it's time to grab our blossom gel, and also I'm going to be using my little mixing dish to make a lighter, more translucent black color that we're going to apply onto the blossom gel. So here you can see I am applying a coat, not too thick but not too thin either, of the blossom gel onto the 2 nails that will have the torty, I think I'm saying it right, effect on them. And right on top of that, I will add some random designs with these 2 colors and make them sort of look like a tortoise shell. But I decided to do it in 2 layers. So first of all, I added this color, And I mainly did this because I didn't want them to mix together and I wanted to create a little bit of dimension between the colors. And as you can see here, after applying the first layer, I will go ahead and apply a second layer of blooming gel and then go in with the darker, like dark gray, translucent black color that we made. And I will add that in between the orange shell designs, I guess. And yeah, I will just make sure to add it randomly wherever I see fit, and then I will go ahead and cure this for 30 seconds. So following that design, I decided to add some more details to the rest of the nails because they looked a little bit too plain for my taste. So with a very thin detail brush, I started adding diagonal lines onto the nails and kind of making them meet in the middle. And I also wanted to add some of this absolutely stunning hollow kind of like orange glitter in the middle of the lines just to give it a little bit of a pop of color and some sparkle. So I just went ahead and added that in between of the lines that I made on all of the nails that had this kind of geometric design. After that, I decided to take my Vanillissa nail glue and I chose these beautiful yellow rhinestones to put on. So I will be adding those right where the two sets of lines meet. So as you can see here, I'm adding a good amount of the Vanillissa nail glue onto the nail. And following that, I will go in with a layer of top coat on all of the nails. And then with my wax pen, I will go ahead and just add the rhinestones in place. I also decided to add a layer of top coat to the other nails so that I could finish off the design for each one of them. Last but not least, I added some cuticle oil to all of my cuticles to nourish them. And here's the finished look! I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. This design was so much fun to make. I would like the black to be a little bit more intense, but I still love the way that they turned out because they have this like glass effect. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, leave a comment telling me what you thought, and subscribe for more videos every single Tuesday. And with that being said, I hope you guys have an amazing week. Let me know if you're enjoying the fall content so far. I will make sure to make more autumn themed videos. This is my favorite season. And with that, I will leave you guys and I will see you next week. Bye!